Axeter is an AI-powered non-contact temperature scanning, contact tracing, and attendance management system. The device provides an efficient tool for the businesses and organizations to safely open for business during this pandemic. Axeter has a medical-grade temperature sensor calibrated using machine learning. It can read temperatures with an accuracy of plus or minus 0.5 centigrade from a 30 to 40 centimeter distance. The body is built with fine-grained acrylic and it is heat resistant. The device can be mounted on a standard tripod or on a wall. The device should be placed prominently at the lobby or some covered space away from direct sunlight and strong winds. Axeter has a 7-inch capacitive touchscreen. All the configurations are done on the screen and doesn't require a keyboard. As soon as the device boots up, you need to set an administrative PIN. This PIN is required for all future administrative activities like setting the temperature threshold or changing the operation mode. Axeter can work in 3 modes: temperature scanning with contact tracing, and temperature scanning with attendance management. While Axeter works in the standalone temperature scanning mode, it doesn't require an internet connection. For contact tracing and attendance management, the unit requires a valid internet connection. When configuring the device as a contact tracing or attendance management kiosk, you need to register the device to the back office. Registering the device to the back office is easy as entering a serial number. You can generate the serial number from the administrative dashboard in Axeter.cloud. As your patrons walk in, the device scans their body temperature. If the temperature is below the threshold, Axeter device produces audible indications to denote whether access is permitted or not. If the temperature is above the threshold, Axeter device indicates access denied sound. Temperature threshold can be set in administrative panel. When Axeter is set as a contact tracing unit, the device prompts to scan a QR code. Patrons of the facility will use their mobile phone camera or the compatible QR code scanning app to scan the QR code. The user enters their contact details and they will receive an OTP code. On entering OTP, a barcode screen will be visible to the user. Barcode screen is the access token for the patron to enter the facility. When Axeter is set in the attendance management mode, the device automatically recognizes the face and mark the employee attendance. The employee face can be recognized even if they wear a mask. All the contacts collected at the Axeter kiosk is stored in the backend with their recorded temperatures and their photographs. An administrator can search for the phone number or slice and dice the data at the backend to list all the patrons who entered the facility between a specific date and time. For Axeter to configure in attendance management mode, the employee has to be added at the back office. A photograph of the user is uploaded to the Axeter for reference. This allows the Axeter device to automatically determine the user and mark their attendance.